Scare cam.
Oh, God. Oh, God! Oh! Let's redo my paper towel.
Paper towel holder, and then I got the toilet.
Oh, no, that's just chocolate honey. I can't let this down, honey. I don't know if you want to add more things. I guess not, because I go to the attic. Ah! You're silly! Oh my goodness, Megan!
Scare cam.
Scare cam! Oh, God!
Scare cam. Peekaboo! Scare cam.
One that passed away.
Scare cam.
That didn't scare me.
Ah! Scare cam.
Oh, God! What in the world?
Scare cam.
Go away! Oh, God!
Scare cam.
Go away! Oh, God! Man!
Yeah.
I ain't moving.
That's okay, because this is a video. this is a video.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. Of you screaming and making that face. It is a video, Mama. No, I'm just kidding. It's not a video.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
I know when you lie.
Really? Would I be talking with the video? You know I hate doing it. Oops. Right, that you? See the butt, Mama? Say sayonara.
Sayonara.
Ah! Ah!
Stop it.
Ah!
Oh, don't take my nose being white. I'm not scared when I see you, dummy.
Ah!
Greg, where are you? Oh my God! Oh God!
Scare cam.
Please go on. Get out of here.
Ah!
Oh God! Get out of here. All I need is that thing after me.
Ah!
She's so pretty today. She's just...
Ah! Scare cam. Ah! Scare cam. Ah!
Oh God!
Scare cam. Scare cam.
Mama!
Scare cam. Ah! Scare cam.
Oh God!
Scare cam.
Oh God! The camera needs a battery. Mommy, how'd you get it to work?
It needs a battery?
Yes.
I love you.
I couldn't believe you doing that with me trying to rest.
Ah! I hate you both so much.
There's someone new in town. A woman. She's targeting men who target women. I know. I've seen her.
Ah!
I heard that camera. I was
Scare cam!
It's quite a mess.
Who are you glaring at, fool?
Called it right?
I pity the fool that did.
I know him pretty well, at least better than others.
Oh, God help me! Scare cam!
Go away.
No, are you crazy? You dialed that phone and the legal...
Go away.
It's a burner phone.
Go away! Ah! Go away! Scare cam!
Oh, God.
Ah! Well, I'm scratching this video. Ah! Scare cam. Ah! Crap, you're far away. Scare cam!
Scare me to death.
Mm-hmm.
And I picked you up a little bag of carrots when they're lunch on.
Ah! Oh, that sucks.
Called my bank and there's no money in yet.
Boo! Scare cam. Scare cam.
You're crazy.
I love you.
Oh, you show it daily.
Or you
God.
can always get scared.
You sneak.
I love you. Scare cam. Scare cam scared you. Double scare cam. I got tongue twisted. No.
Scared you.
Because you were going to hit me. First video on this camera. Woohoo!
Oh, that's why you did it.
Well, yeah, I mean, I just took off all the pictures, so I had to add a new thing.
I
Scare
got-
cam.
I have fresh batteries too if you need them.
That's going to be boring on the video. I'm going to cut that part out. Bye. Boo! What are you doing?
Getting cat food out of the cracks.
Boo!
Stop scaring me.
It's kind of funny.
Don't get that toilet tissue on the table.
I mean, the still tissue, right here, right there.
Why would you do
The
that?
toilet tissue right there,
Yeah.
right there. This one.
You're embarrassing.
Wait, which one? This one or this one?
Both. You're embarrassing.
Both? Or is it this one and that one?
You're embarrassing. Get your toothpicks.
They're chopsticks, mama. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.